Behind the curtain. Hidden light. Alone in your room, sunlight spills through the window. No one seems to be watching, right? You sit by your computer about to click something wrong. But you pause. What if there's more unseen than you think? Your heartbeat races. No human saw it happen, but what about the unseen watching quietly? Behind the curtain, an invisible light writes, heart filled with piety. What does your heart say? You step back, open the Quran. Light glows gently on your face, guiding your spirit quietly. You give charity quietly. No eyes watching, but your heart speaks loud and clear. Above you, a shining white book appears in the sky, letters shimmering with divine light. An angel writes with glowing hands, face hidden, bathed in radiant light behind the curtain. At night, you smile in your sleep. A halo of gentle light forms softly above your head. When no one's watching, what hides behind the curtain? He is watching you, and your heart knows the truth. Even in solitude, you are never truly alone. Your hidden goodness is your truest identity. Let it shine even when no one's watching.